Did you know that in the Kumamoto earthquake in 2016, 81% of deaths came from inspecting buildings after the earthquake? This is Spot, the Boston Dynamics robot dog. Spot is a quadruped. Its configuration makes full use of its versatile ability in tackling a wide variety of terrains, unlike wheeled or tracked robots. We aim to help remove potential risks in inspection of unstable buildings. The cause could be due to a selection of reasons: construction, natural or man-made disasters. Spot would replace the dangerous tasks that are currently performed by humans. The principal feature that Spot will offer is autonomous hazard identification, using object detection to identify structural damage, anomalous heat sources and toxic gases. Furthermore, Spot will take advantage of its range of sensors by navigating autonomously through path planning algorithms, adapting its path in the presence of obstructions. Finally, Spot will generate a 3D model of the environment. This would give rescue workers an idea of the type of terrain and surroundings they are dealing with. A selection of payloads such as 360-degree depth cameras, LIDAR and ultrasound sensors will be mounted for depth perception with thermal cameras and gas sensors, integrated together using intelligent software. A mounting mechanism to combine these sensors and mount them onto Spot will be designed, modeled and tested using Autodesk Fusion 360. Optimization techniques such as finite element analysis and generative design will be carried out to ensure Spot's fundamental requirements such as balance are not compromised. With Spot, inspecting unstable buildings will be made smarter, safer and more successful. 217 rescue workers and volunteers from the Kumamoto earthquake would be alive today if Spot had been used.